for 25. Create customer sales. Type executable. Save local object. Now parameters p underscore land1, p underscore land1, type land1. Now every report should have no standard page heading, line count 27 lines, out of which 2 or 3 lines for footer, line size width. Now a ideal program: initialization, add selection screen, start of selection, end of selection, top of page, end of page, end of page. These events, reporting events, will be there. Now every event you need not use in every report. Now let's assume if I don't want any validation of the initial, that means everyone should execute this program, then initialization is not required. Now the user has not asked any default values. He has not asked any default values. Then initialization is not required. Initialization won't be there everywhere. Now as of now, we are not using end of selection as of now. So ideal case, what we generally do is first we'll put all the events and write our code. And whatever events we are not using, we can remove those events. Example, I didn't ask any authorization checks. I didn't ask any default values. So you can remove it. And then as of now, it is obligatory activate. That is one way. Now I am executing this. Now if I don't give any input, my program is giving a message: fill in all required entries. Fill in all required entries. It is giving a message: fill in all required entries. In this screen we have only one input. So you will clearly know, okay, this input is compulsory. But in some program IW38, if you see this program, this much big screen is there. Now in this screen it says fill in all required entries. Where you can find out? So some people are not happy with this message. They want clearly country is compulsory, city is compulsory, land is compulsory, whatever meaningful messages they want. So a meaningful message. But if I use obligatory, I will get only the standard message, fill in all required entries. So some people will ask you this also. So in such case, we will remove the obligatory and we will do the validation in net selection screen. In net selection screen, I am doing the validation. If p underscore land1 equal to blank. In other words, we say is initial. If it is blank means if it is initial, give a message, else a message. If it is blank, if the user is leaving it blank, I am giving a message. Enter country field is compulsory. Country input is compulsory. Type error. So if I don't give any input, so I am removing the obligatory here. If I give the obligatory keyword, automatically that standard message will dominate. So I have suppressed the obligatory field, and then I am saying that okay, if land1 is initial, if the user is not giving anything in the land1, throw a message. So I am having a custom message: country input is compulsory. So without giving the input, it cannot proceed further. So now it depends on how your client is asking. In that way, if the client is not asking specifically this type of messages, we will handle with obligatory only. Now, if the user gives wrong input, stop him there itself. Stop him there itself. So I'm declaring one variable v underscore land1, type land1. Now I'm saying if the user is giving some, if it is blank, I'm giving a message. If it is not blank, it will go to else part. Else part. Select single land1 from into v underscore land1 from t005 where land1 is equal to p underscore land1. If size sub rc not equal to 0, if size sub rc failed, give him a message, enter a valid, or country entered is invalid, type E error message. So I'm handling like this. Now T005, don't ask me what is this T005. Already we have discussed the valid country table. So all the valid countries will be there in T005 and key field is land1. So wherever I'm using the key field, I'm using select a single. So check whether land1 is valid or not. If land1 is valid, fine. If it is not valid, stop him. Execute. So case 1, if the user is not giving any country, I am stopping. If the user gives wrong country, I am stopping. If he gives the correct country, I will proceed further. So for the given country, what I want? For the given country, I asked you, I asked you the name of the person, the customer ID, the name, the postal code, the sale ID. So I have asked you the following fields: Gunnar, name 1, PSTLZ, VBLN, AUDAT, VKORG, Matner, material, quantity, units, quantity, units, price, currency. These are the fields I have asked you. For customer K1, Suresh, his postal code, what sale IDs he has purchased, sale ID 1, on which date he has purchased, so and so date, from which branch he has purchased, so and so branch, what material he has purchased, so and so material, this much quantity, this much units, this much price, this much currency. I have asked you this report like this. So we have to get first data from from KNA1, KNA1, KNA1. What you want from KNA1? Fetch it. So select customer number, name 1, PSTLZ, PSTLZ from KNA1 into V underscore customer number, V underscore name 1, V underscore PSTLZ, where land1 is equal to P underscore land1 for the given countries. For the given country, select these fields. What fields you want? First field will come and sit in first field, second field will come and sit in second field, third field will come and sit in third field. So I have to declare these three fields. I have to declare these three fields. So we will declare those three fields later. Then I have to select the data from VBAK. These fields are from VBAK. This is from VBAK. This is from VBAK. This is from VBAK. So select VBLN, AUDAT, VKORG from VBAK into V underscore VBLN, V underscore AUDAT, V underscore VKORG. Where customer number equal to v underscore customer number. Whenever we write select inside a select, at least one field from the outer select should be used in the where condition of the inner select. If you don't know the relation between the tables, you can never write a report. What is the relation between these two tables? The link between this and this is customer number. For the given customer number, get me the sales and select and select. So for the given customer number, I am getting the sales details. Once I got the sales details, select VBELN, sale ID not required. Already we are selecting the sale ID. Which material number, which quantity, what units, what price, what currency into. So here we are from VBAP into V underscore Matner, V underscore KWMENG, V underscore mains, V underscore NETWR, V underscore WAERK, where VBLN equal to V underscore VBLN. What is the link between the second table and third table? Between the second table and third table, the link is VBLN sale ID. Without understanding the relations, we can never write the code. So I have written all the select statements, select inside, select inside, select. Now write down the data. Write V underscore customer number, V underscore name one, V underscore PSTLZ, V underscore VBELN, V underscore AUDAT, V underscore VKORG, V underscore Matner, V underscore KWMENG, V underscore mains, V underscore NETWR, V underscore WAERK. So I have to declare all these variables. All these variables I have to declare. So I am declaring all those variables. Customer number, type, customer number, name, type, name one, postal code, type, VBLN, AUDAT, type, VBLN, AUDAT, type, AUDAT, VKORG, type, VKORG, Matner, Matner, type, Matner, quantity, type, quantity, type, mains, NETWR, type, NETWR, type. So I have selected all the fields what I want. Check the syntax, activate, execute. Execute. Show me the customer sales in US. In US, whatever sales are there, show me. Execute. So see here how much time it is taking to write the output. Performance issue. So see here I am getting the output. So I am getting the customer number, what is his name, what is his postal code, what sale ID he has done under 6710. Under 6710, she purchased these materials, this much quantity, this many pieces, this much price. So I am getting the data. But now which field is what I am not clear. So we have to display the headings. How to display the headings? Display the headings, display the footer. Headers and footers. Headers and footers. So now I am going to top of page, and then I am saying skip one line, right at 40, customer sales by country. Some heading I am putting, customer sales by country. Control X, text hyphen TT1, some name I am creating, title, next 3T2, date, TT3, time, activate. Chain operator. Now title 1 is of length. So 24, if I start at 40, 40 plus 24, 65 somewhere around. So it's 75, 75 text hyphen TT2, comma, side atom, right, uline in a new line, 40 of 26, right at 75, chain operator, 75 text hyphen title 3, comma, uzeit. So I'm writing the heading, then I'm leaving a small gap, and then write. So now I'm going to go to text elements, selection text, selection text symbols, 001, customer ID, 002, customer name, 003, postal code, 004, sale ID, 005, 005, sale date, 006, sales org, 007, material, 008, quantity, 009, unit of measure, 010, price, 011, unit currency, activate. So I have to write 11 fields. 11 fields. So I'm just taking the screenshot of it. Come back. Now come back. Now sci line, text 001. Sci line, text 001. Sci line, text 001. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sci line. So first sci line I am putting at 10. Vertical line at 10. Then I am putting this text sale at 12. Customer ID is of 11 length. So 12 plus 11, 23 at 25. I am putting one vertical line. Next 27, 25. I am putting one vertical line. 27, text 002, half class. 002. చూస్తాను. 27. So customer ID, customer name. If I start my customer name at 27, 27 customer name field length is 35. 27 plus 35, 62, 64. Sai V line 66. Postal code 10 length 66 plus 10, 76, 77, 78, 78 V line. Next 78, 79, 80. So I'm writing this at 80. So this is sale ID 10 length 80 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90, 92, 94. Sale ID. So this will be 94. So sale ID, sale date 10 length 94 plus 10. Sale date is 7 length. Okay, 94 plus 10, 104, 106. Vertical line 108, 108. So sales arg 9 length, 10 length. I'll give 108 plus 10, 118. So 1110, 110. Vertical line followed by 112. Material number 20 length, 132, 134. Vertical line. So 136. I am writing the data quantity. 20 length I am giving 136 plus 20, 156, 158 units of measure. So 150, 160. 10 length 170, 172, 172. Vertical line 174. Price. So I will give 20 length 184, 194, 196, 198. Text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, text 5, text 6, text 7, text 8, text 9, text 9, text 10, text 11. The positions, mathematical calculations. This is not related to programming. What is the length? How much position shall I leave? It is about common sense. So using your common sense, put the positions. Now, whatever data you are writing here, the same positions will come here. Same positions will come here. Now, in the place of this one, V underscore customer number, V underscore name 1, V underscore PSTLZ, V underscore VBELN, V underscore AUDAT, V underscore VKORG, V underscore Matner, V underscore KWMENG, V underscore mains, V underscore NETWR, V underscore WAERK. Check the syntax. Activate. Execute. Show me the people who are there in US. Execute. So the drawback of this program right now is performance, time consuming. So see here, just to display the US records, how much time it is taking. So a simple report is over. If you don't consider the speed of the program, the report is over. Now we have to see how can I increase the performance. The speed of the program is very, very crucial now. So now I am getting the customer ID, customer name, postal code, sales ID, sale date, material. Now here we are getting something wrong. Sale date, sales arc, the space is not sufficient. Material,
సార్ నాకు బ్లాంక్ పేజ్
quantity, unit of
కనిపిస్తుంది
measure,
సార్.
price. So a small mistake near sales arc. So we
హలో
have to come here. Yes,
సార్ బ్లాంక్ పేజ్ కనిపిస్తుంది సార్ నాకు.
me Kokul, can
Sir,
you able are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
We can see.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We will.
So only one person is having a problem. Relogin. Relogin. Your internet is having some issue. So relogin. Your internet speed is less, I guess. So screen is not getting refreshed
ఓకే సార్.
now. So now this is
Sir,
yes
007 120, sir.
for 007. This is 110, 112, 130.
120.
77
120.
120, sir.
7, sir. 7.
For 7. What is 7? What is
Yes.
120?
Yeah. Size, sir. Size line.
108 plus
For
10,
6,
120.
108, 110,
180.
110. So immediately I am starting.
120, sir. Yes.
Here it should be 120.
Yes.
120. So here it will be 122. Here 144, 144, 146, 168, 170, 182, 184, 206, 206, 208, 208, 220. I have to change the above also. One not 8, 122, 146, 170, 184, then 208, 208, 2, 220. So this is 220. This is 206. This is 182. This is 168. 144. 120. Then 106 done. So let's say this once again. So positions errors. We need not worry about the position errors. Execute. US. First let me run India. India data is very less. So customer ID, customer name, postal code, sale ID, sale date, sales arc, material, quantity, units, price, currency. So everything is working perfectly. So now what I will do, I am putting one underline U line in a new line starting of 10, 1, 1, 1, 221, one underline here, 221. After end select one underline, 221. Now footer, end of page. I am putting one
Sir,
U
two
line.
double one, sir.
Hmm? Yeah, two double
Two
one.
double one.
Yeah, 211, 211, 211, 211. Activate. Execute. Now show me the US. Execute. So now so if you see here, the customer name, postal code, sale ID, sale date, sales are material, quantity, unit measure, price. Now some people are asking, some people will ask you the total of this page. Some people ask you the total of this page. So page 1, what is the total? Page 2, what is the total? Page 3, what is the total? They will ask you. So if they are asking you the total, you have to write the total. So now what I am doing, at the end of the page, I have to write a total. End of page. End of page. Now I am keeping the first line and till here I am removing everything. And at 12, I am simply writing something total. Total. Next, this 009 field is quantity, so I don't want this also. I am putting one variable. I am putting one variable v underscore total. So I am declaring one variable v underscore total. Type netwr. So which field I want to do the total, that field I am doing the total. Now with every select statement, I will add one to v underscore total is equal to v underscore total plus v underscore netwr. Add to this variable. Every time add this to this variable. So whenever page end comes, that page total will be displayed. Once it displays the total, I will clear the total. Because in the next page again it should start calculating the total. Every new page total. Activate. Execute. So don't assume that end of page will always be used for say writing page numbers only. US. Execute. So total, scroll to the right, whatever is the total. For this page, whatever is the total. Scroll down. For every page, you'll get the total. Whatever is the total, you are getting it. Try to sum up, you'll get the total. So at the end of the page, I'm writing the page total. Now if you see on every page, I am getting this customer sales by country, date and time. I don't want this customer sales by country on every page. I want this only on the first page. This date and time should be printed only on the first page. In the remaining pages, I don't want this date and time. I don't want this heading on every page. I want only the field labels on every page. I don't want this heading on every page. So what to do? If conditions, if conditions, if conditions. So what I am doing in the top of page, I am saying write this only if psi pagno is equal to 1. For only first page only, write this part. And if so only for the first page I will get this title. From the second page onwards I won't get the title. If conditions, if conditions, if conditions. So from now onwards, when we deal with reports, data will come from tables. So data will be coming from tables. Your functional team will tell you what tables you have to use. They will tell you. If you don't know also, not a problem, they will tell you 3 tables or 4 tables or 5 tables we have to select. Then after selecting it, we have to write it. While we write it, we'll play with write statements plus if conditions. Select statements, write statements, if conditions is what a report is. Now, when I give an assignment of a report, if you are not able to do, if you are not able to get the output, then I will say either your select statements are weak, or your if conditions are weak, or your write statements are weak. Any 3 of these are weak. Now you will argue, no sir, I know select statement. If you know the select statement, why you are not able to do? If you know the right statement, why you are not able to do? You know only the syntaxes. Learning syntax is not what we require. Theory is different, practical is different. Theory is different, practical is different. You will understand the difficulty once you do something practically. Now, everyone knows how to run. Can everyone run? Can everyone run?
Yes, sir.
So, how many years of experience you have in walking and running? Walking and running. On an average, in this batch, all the people are from 22 to 25 years of age. 22 to 25, say 20 to 25. So, nearly at the age of 1 or 2, you started walking. So, nearly 18 plus years of experience in walking and running. Now, start from your gate and run for 2 kilometers without stopping. Run for 2 kilometers without stopping. Leave about 2 kilometers. Run for 1 kilometer without stopping and see how many people can do it. Can you run? Yes or no? Without stopping. Half of the people cannot run.
Okay.
Half of the people cannot run because they know walking, they know running, but they lack of practice. They cannot run continuously. After 10 steps, they will stop. After 15 steps, they will stop. But is it impossible? No, it's not impossible. People are running marathon, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers without stopping. They are running. Practice makes everyone perfect. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes dogs also perfect. We are humans, we can master it. So if you don't practice, from tomorrow onwards, this will be the issue. Now, only the first assignment will take some time. Once the first assignment is over, so what I can do? I am simply copying this first assignment into the second assignment, because in the second assignment, all the fields, everything is same. Only the input is changing. So change. Now, P underscore VKORG. Type VKORG. Now, which table shall I select first? This field is from VBAK.
VBA.
So, my first select statement will be VBAK.
VBA.
where vkorg equal to p underscore vkorg. So select vbln au vkorg customer number into v underscore customer number. If I don't select the customer number, I cannot link it with the next table. So what is the link between customer number and VBAK? Where customer number is equal to V underscore customer number. But in K1 table, customer number is the key field. So instead of writing the code like this, select and select. Instead of writing the code like select and select single will be better. Select single. When you use select single, we don't use and select. Whoever has done the code like this is correct. Over. Program is over. That's it.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in VBAP table, VBLN is also key field. So can we do it
VBLN is not the complete key field. VBLN. Over. Program is over. That's it.
Sir, is all
Key field. Are we using complete key field in the where condition? Again, you forgot the basics. Again, I have to repeat the select statement. Suppose I have employee ID, P underscore EID. Select EID name city. Select EID name city phone from your employee table into variable for EID, variable for name, variable for city, variable for phone, where EID equal to P underscore EID. If this is the scenario, P underscore EID is the key field, so I am using select single. Now I am select EID edu college year of pass from ZZ edu into V underscore EID, V underscore edu, V underscore college, V underscore year of pass, where EID equal to P underscore EID. For education table also EID is the key field. Can I write select single?
no, sir. EID and education both are sir combined.
If I am using both, then I should use select single. Here I am not using both. So if I write like this, what will happen? For employee 1, only one education will come. But employee 1 can have multiple educations.
Yes, sir.
So shall I use select single here? In the second select?
No, no, sir.
So here also the same, right? VBAP is having VBLN and position number, item number as a key field. VBLN and item number as a key field. Am I using both in the where condition?
No, sir.
So I should not use select single. If I use select single, it won't throw any syntax error. But I will get only one item. One sale can have multiple items. Okay. So, but here one customer will have only one customer record in KNA1. So I have to use select single. Now output wise, both the reports I am expecting the same output fields. Land one. So okay, validation. I have to change the validation now. As of now, I'm commenting the validation. Execute. Show me the details of 1000 branch. Execute. So the fields what I asked in the output is the same. Customer ID, customer name, postal code, sale ID, everything. But if you see the sequence of select statements in both the program, there is a lot of change. How I am writing the sequence, the select sequence is changing. Here I am using select single. But in the previous program, I cannot use select single. Everyone mute yourself. If you are not speaking, mute yourself. Make a habit. If you are speaking, unmute. Now, whoever has done the code like this, that is correct. Now, any doubt till here? Now, every day I will give something or the other assignment. If I keep on explaining the assignments like this, your course will go to 8 months to 9 months. Don't blame me. So from today, because you are in the starting, I am explaining whatever assignments I am giving you, I was explaining you. From now onwards, slowly I will drop explaining the assignments. Example, if I give 3 assignments to you, roughly one I will explain, remaining 2 you have to do. Like this, after 1 month, I won't even explain that one. Whatever assignments you are sending it to me, I will correct it. That's it. Example, let's assume you are learning how to drive a cycle. The first 2-3 days, we will catch you and we'll make you drive. Once you are learning the balancing, we will slowly leave you. Whenever you are falling, we will catch you. If you are not falling, we'll leave you. So if we don't leave you, you will never practice. You can never understand what is balancing. Always someone should catch you. So here also the same thing. If I keep on explaining the assignments, you people, your brain will become lazy. Let Sarah explain, then we will do. Okay, in the course, 100 days or 120 days, we'll do 120 assignments. But once you come to the real time, if a new assignment comes, how will you do? If you want to become the best programmer, rule 1, from day 1, write your own program. Now, for the first time, you won't be success, you'll be failure. Fail 2 times, fail 3 times, fail 10 times, not a problem. Fail. When I give an assignment, you have 24 hours time next day. Till next day, you have time to do that assignment. So, who is stopping you? After half an hour, your mother is coming and saying, okay, you have practiced very much, take rest. If you are practicing the lab, is anyone stopping you from the lab? Okay, time is over, half an hour is over, go out. Now you have the time, it's your decision whether to continue till you get the output or whether to stop. So, what you are sitting doing idle? Now, some people will watch, some people are doing some productive work, they are doing the business or they're doing something. For them, I don't have any comments. But some people who are not doing any job, simply they are watching the YouTube series, XYZ series, ABC series, Korean series. For 3-4 months, stop all those series. Whenever you are free, 2 things you have to do: either practice or listen to the videos. Practice, listen to the videos, practice. Now make the ABAP only as the videos. Make it a habit for 6 months. After 6 months, you need not open the SAP again. Once you get the job, you need never look back. Now after that, once you get the job, whatever you want to do, you do it with your money and with your time. No one will question you. But first, settle down. So remember one thing: if you want to sit in a comfort zone, so everyone like to be in a comfort zone, everyone want to take rest, everyone want to enjoy, good. Even I also want to do the same thing. So before sitting in the comfort zone, at least once you have to come out of your comfort zone and then gather whatever you want. Gather whatever you want, take it into the comfort zone, and then take rest. So I came from a very, very, very poor background. I already told you my fees is paid by one of my friend. My course fees is paid by one of my friend. My hostel fees is paid by one more other friend. So whenever after going to the lab, after coming home around 8 o'clock, the lab is closed. After coming home, if I was sleeping, I was feel ashamed of myself. Did I came to Hyderabad to do to sleep? So I used to take a pen and a paper and write a logic. To write a logic, we don't require a laptop. Now I can't ask my friends to buy me a laptop. I can't ask my father also to buy me a laptop. He cannot afford. He'll say I can't afford. That's it. Or he will borrow from someone. Again, that borrower will come behind us. Where is this? Where is the interest, etc. So I don't want to trouble my parents. So I was using only my lab system. I have only the option of lab system. So now I have a pen and a paper. So ultimately, I used to write my programs on a pen and a paper and keep the logic ready. I used to write the program in 2 3 ways and keep it ready. Next day, I used to go to the lab and type it. That's what I used to do. Where there's a will, there is a way. Now, once I achieved, I got the job. I never looked back. When I was in my career peak, I got fed up with the codings. I don't like to, because every day the same thing, going to office, working, going to office, working, I got fed up. So at the peak of the career, I took a long break and I enjoyed. And I enjoyed. So some people are worrying, without working, how can you survive? To enjoy the life, I already earned whatever I want, I kept it aside. Then I took a break. Once I enjoyed my life, once again, I started working. So if you want to be with your own rules, earn your own money, and do whatever shit you want. To earn your money, you should have a good job. First rule, if you want a job, you will get a job anywhere. Go to McDonald's, they will give you a job. Go to some ICICI bank, they will give you a marketing job. Go to some school, they will give you a teaching job, because all are having degrees and PGs. Definitely in a school you can teach. But if you work for 9 hours also, 10 hours also, at the maximum 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Worst case, 30,000. Now these days, to rent a house, it is 10,000 to 15,000. So now your mobile itself is cost 20,000 to 30,000. Now tomorrow, if you get a kid, if your kid, with that 20,000, 30,000, will you pay the rent or will you pay the school fees? Now to get a school fees in a nice school, minimum 3 to 4 lakhs donation you have to pay. Everything is money. Everything is money. Is this money enough? Question yourself. So software is the only field where if you work for 9 hours, you will get in lakhs. So if you see any software engineer, out of 10 people, if you ask 7 people, they will scold the software field. It is very boring. It is eating my life, etc. But no one will resign, because that's the only field which will give you money. So anywhere you have to work. If you are a man, you have to work for 9 hours for sure. Instead of working in a small companies like this, if you work for a software company, you can earn in lakhs. Once you can earn in lakhs, if not you, your family can enjoy, at least someone can enjoy. So please understand why we are telling this. It's a dream for many people to come to the software field. You got the opportunity. Your parents are good enough to pay the fees and giving you all the laptops, everything, and giving all the luxuries, AC room, and asking you, you study, we are ready to pay. This much luxury many people don't have in the country. You have that luxury. So use it properly. I am here to guide you. If you are doing a mistake, we are here to guide you. So what is your assignment? Your assignment is the following. MTART input. MTART input. Or do one thing. P underscore EID low. Low. P underscore EID high. Take two inputs. Take two inputs. EID low, EID high. Now, if I give employee 1, employee 1, display the details of employee 1. Example, the program should work like this, somewhat like this. So I am going to my employee table. If I am not giving anything, I want to see all the employees. I want to see all the employees. 6 employees. If I say, show me employee 1 low, this is low, this is high. I am giving employee 1. I am giving employee 1. If I execute, it should display only employee 1 details. If I give employee 3 here, it should show only employee 3 details. But the same thing, if I give 3 here, in high, so low and high, low, high. If I give 0 here, nothing here, and 3 here, it should show all the employees up to 3. From 0 to 3, show me all, execute all the 3 employees it is showing. Suppose if I give 5 here, it will show all the 5 employees here. If I say 2 to 5 here, I will give 2 here, 5 here. It should show all the employees of 2 to 5 here. 2 to 5. So like this, I want a program. Try to do it. If you can't get it, also not a issue. I'm here to explain you. The hint is we have to use if conditions. If user gives the input, what to do? If user is leaving blank, what to do? If user is not giving any input, what to do? If the user is giving input, what to do? This is the hint. What I want is, I want EID, I want name, I want city, I want phone. These fields I want. This is the assignment. Okay. So we are slowly going deeper into the SAP. I will always introduce a new topic with employee education, and I'll always end that topic with standard tables. Example, if you see whatever events I have explained you in the starting, I explained with a simple program, employee program. Now events are almost over. Only one event is left out. End of selection. Right now we don't use end of selection. Only this event is pending for you as of now. So I have explained you whatever I covered yesterday. I explained that with the standard tables, and that too with multiple tables. So ultimately events are over. Next topic. What is the next topic? So I just gave introduction to the next topic. We have to play with multiple inputs now. How to play with multiple inputs will be your tomorrow's assignment, tomorrow's class. So that's it for me for today. Catch you tomorrow.